So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see Toniebox keep weeping, what meaning and what to do. So guys, if your Toniebox keep weeping, so it can be indicate the server troubleshooting steps. Server troubleshooting problem. Okay, so guys, maybe the problem related to the charging, connection and notification. So guys, to resolve this issue, first of all charge the Toniebox. So guys, if you suspect that a low battery, place the Tony on its charging station, so immediately you charge it and allow it charge for at least 3 hours to ensure it has enough power. Okay, then guys, listen for the specific message. So guys, pay attention to any voice messages that accompany with the beeping. This message can provide the clue about what the Tony is trying to communicate, such as the connectivity issues and other things. Okay, then guys, check for the Wi-Fi connection. Ensure that your Tony is connected to the Wi-Fi to the stable. So guys, to know the Wi-Fi connection, so when it's indicate the green light, so it's mean that it is connecting properly and set up properly also. If it is indicate any other thing, so guys, maybe the problem. Okay, then guys, you try to reset your device. For resetting, you press both of the ear of your Toniebox at least 30 seconds. Oh sorry, 10 to 15 seconds, and until you hear the sound. When you hear the sound, so this can helps uh, your minor glitches, because this is the reset process and it goes to its default setting. Okay, and guys, you also remove and reattach your Tony. If beeping occur while playing the audio, so try to uh, removing and putting your Tony again. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information.